We're going to do a radial blur here. So I'm going to go Command J, and I'm going to do this kind of a regular way. I'll go Filter, Blur, and then I'm going to go down to where it says Radial Blur. And here we've got our box. Now you can move this around or you could leave it in the center either way. And so let's just see what zoom at 15 does. So you get that kind of look. Let's say it's too strong. You can go over to where it says edit and you'll fade the radial blur. You can't do this in a smart object. So smart object, you just go back and make adjustments. But here you can click fade and you can actually fade it. And probably normally you would do normal, but you can change blend modes here. But this allows you to back it off a little bit. So I suggest you go kind of strong and then you can back it off. If you do smart object, you can just kind of keep adjusting it. So we can click OK. Now that would be the zoom effect. Now I'll turn that off and I'll go Command J and let's call this one here the spin effect. So we'll go filter, blur, and then radial blur again. And this time I'm going to pick spin and let's see what it does. So that's kind of crazy strong. So I'm going to go edit and I'll go fade and I'm going to lower this down. So you can kind of maybe find sort of a sweet spot so you get back to normal. Now another thing you can do is you get like this far and then you can make like a little layer mask. Take your brush and go, okay, in the center I don't want it to be blurry, and just kind of paint black on the mask and then kind of the center spot, and you'll see that that little bit of black or semi-black here, if I want to take it all the way up, I could make sure the opacity is full, and that will allow it so that it's not crazy strong all the way across. And you can have either a spin or a zoom depending on how you want to set it up. So maybe you'll have some good reasons to do that.